What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today I am super excited. I've been waiting 6 weeks for this Prinsu Pro roof rack, and we're about to go to my buddy's house and start drilling into the roof. So tag along with me while I go avoid warranties. Alright guys, I also got a little sneak peeker for you guys. We got a full-size spare, and I'm going to let you guys think on that one. What do you think we're doing with this full-size spare? So, alright, let's go. Let's go hit the road. Alright guys, we just showed up at Parker's house. He's the one who's got the tan Z71. He recently got some big old meats right here, some Falcon RT 35 1250s on there, and then we got his Pops truck right here. It's a nice GMccanyon AT4X in the red, looking good. And then we got my truck right here. We're pulling off the window stripping right now, and I'll show you guys that on this side. All right, so we get the window stripping off right here. It just has these little nubs that kind of hook on to the weather stripping. I'll show you guys on that side when I get there, but it was pretty easy. All right, so if you look right here, those little nubs kind of slide into here, and then don't worry if the insert pops out, it kind of slides back in there. And yeah, we got this one off. It's a little scary, but we got that guy off right there. We're gonna reuse that and put that down there. All right, now we got the Prinsu kind of rough assembled, and now we're gonna go mark our holes and start drilling. And yeah, it's gonna look sick. All right, everybody, it's day 2 of doing the roof rack. So we're gonna bang out the rest of the holes on this roof rack and really get her done, hopefully today, before the sun goes down. It's 5:30, so let's get to it. Not even close.
How is it?
It's a pain in the ass, dude. Why is the
So like on that part, you're saying that it has like, it's just thicker like metal?
Yeah, the front side seems like it's a lot more thick than right here. As you can tell, us third gen guys, we get dents in our roof, but right here, it's pretty fucking thick, and that shit ain't bending. Look at that.
Yeah, that's wild.
So, for some reason they made these really tough, but not the metal. I already have a little dent in mine right there. All right guys, we got all the holes drilled. Now we're doing the silicone action, and we're caking it in the silicone because we don't want to fuck up. There's that. All right, everybody, we have conquered the roof rack. Come check it out. Look at that nice Prinsu Pro roof rack right there. Let's just say it took a little bit longer than I was expecting. A couple days after work, we banged it out. A couple little pro tips while you do install your Prinsu Pro. Definitely measure twice, drill once. I might have off-centered one rib nut in one spot. Also, make sure you get yourself a good set of drill bits. I ended up using a fucking diamond plated masonry bit, and that worked really good. And also, screw the cordless drills. Just get yourself a corded drill. That helped 10 times faster than like a Milwaukee. Like the corded drill just smoked those holes through. So yeah, this is the Prinsu Pro. I have 2 Amazon special cases going on top, so I'll probably make a video about that once I get it. But yeah, here's a couple cool little shots of the Pro rack. All right, guys, my initial thoughts is it looks really good. It stays pretty nice and level with my tent, so it's not too high, but once I do get the crates on top, it's gonna be a little bit higher, but I'm just gonna put all my recovery gear and all the stuff I don't really use up there. It's just less things in the truck when we're out camping and whatnot, so we're gonna do that. Also, I kind of messed up and I did not buy the light fairing, so eventually I'm gonna probably do maybe some like Casey lights or just like a straight light bar. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do yet with that. So yeah, just a little another tip, make sure to just use that whole thing of silicone they gave you. Just lube her up, make sure she's all good. I'm actually gonna go run into the car wash right now and kind of see how my job turned out. We'll see once I hit the car wash. It is a big pain in the dick to drill into the top of the roof. Even though we get the dents in the middle, if you do not have a sunroof, the sides and where the pinch welds are, where the weather stripping is, it is really hard. So just be prepared to, you know, put in some arm power, and you know, it's gonna take a little bit longer. Use some cutting oil. But if you have any questions, just go watch their video, because I'm not really good at doing install videos like that, because it's a lot of work and I'm just trying to get her done, you know what I mean? So we got her in, she's super dialed. Can't wait to, hopefully I'll be getting some, like, you know, some handles and everything. I kind of like that too, because when I have like passengers in the car, the truck doesn't have any little bitch handles, so you can maybe like hold off on the side right here while you're inside of the truck, trying to kind of hold on to it like a Jeep almost. But yeah, I got some really cool plans. I'm really stoked that I got this Prinsu rack, and I'm not sponsored by them, so this is just all my doing and my money that I spent on it, and I'm digging it. It's pretty cool. It is a lot of work, but if I do want to, you know, like take it off and do anything with the truck, I can always just buy some new weather stripping and just cover the holes completely, and no one will ever know you drilled into your truck. So I'm digging it. I gotta like clean up some silicone that I kind of got on the truck everywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna go hit the car wash and do all that stuff and clean up the truck, because I am going to Overland Expo this weekend. So when you're watching this video, it's probably gonna be the last day of Expo, but I'll be out there hanging out with everybody, so I hope to see everybody out there. And yeah, I'll be making a video about the cool stuff at Overland Expo, because I'm super excited about it. I'm going out camping out there too, so I think we might be going to like the Cinders. It's kind of like a volcanic rock dune area. But yeah, I'm super stoked. I hope you guys like this video. I do like doing install videos, but this one was just a little bit more took a little more work to get this guy done, because it is like 110 degrees already. My truck is black, and when I'm working out in the sun, I'm getting burnt. So I appreciate you guys watching. You guys are awesome. I love you so much. Peace out.